It's amazing.
Big.
I would say it's an amazing platform.
The boat show is absolutely fantastic.
Welcome to the water world.
I can do it in many words. Very positive, very uplifting, and the cup's always half full rather than half empty.
Amazing.
Busy.
Excellent.
Fabulous.
Beneficial.
Absolutely amazing. That's 3 words.
Exciting.
OTT.
Incredible.
Luxurious.
Opulence.
Amazing.
Amazing.
It's amazing.
Wow.
It's a nice atmosphere for the whole family.
Fantastic. Awesome. Amazing. The boat show is the best.
Fantastic, Czechomástic, bombastic.
Lavish, extravagant. But no, it's good. It's a nice day out.
Fantastic. I'm amazed.
It's unbelievable.
Amazing.
Beautiful.
I love the Dubai boat show. Fantastic.
Beautiful.
Excellent show.
It's a place that you must go to. If you're in Dubai, if you live in Dubai, if you're going to visit, you have to come here.